Go.
Ta-da!
What is it?
Captain America shoe.
What do you do with it?
Whoa, Star Wars tattoo! Captain America?
You should wear a Captain America shirt too. Look at me, Zachary. Let me see. Whoa. Who are you?
Whoa, here's a shield. Now he's gonna cut the tag off first. Let me get the tag off.
Let me see the shield, Zachary.
Who is this? Is this Superman? Is that for you? This.
So much stuff. Did you say thank you to Uncle William?
Me too. I bought it.
You bought it? Did you pay for it?
Picked it, right?
Huh?
Did you say thank you, Zachary?
Thank you.
Thank you to
Look
who?
at the camera and say thank you to Uncle William.
Thank you, Uncle William.
Here, you want to put your mask on?
This is the movie that Uncle William gave you.
Okay.
Yeah, what is it?
Hey, let me-
Maybe Thor?
Can you read it?
No.
What are the letters?
Thor.
Back off, buddy. Back off, Captain.
You want to show him the book, Madeline?
Yep. I cut me cut. Yeah.
Hey, stop hitting me.
Zachary, open the books.
What book is that, Zachary?
The treasure one.
That's yours, right?
Treasure hunt. And whoa, who's this? Batman. Oh, your superheroes. Who's this? Aquaman. Here you go. That's it. Jacob, this is mine. And then I got some more books in mine. Yeah. Here's a word from Ariel. And she is this book.
Hey, Captain, are you looking at the books?
Whose favorite book is this?
Auntie Miss Linda.
Yeah. And what book is this?
George.
You like Curious George, Zachary?
No.
No.
Have a shield.
You have a shield. Show Daddy.
Do you want to read this right now?
What about his other books? Take out the other books and the puzzle.
Mommy, this is it. Ta-da!
Look, Zachary.
What is it?
Batman. Zachary, look at this. That's
Here, actually.
what we got. But it's too big.
No, it's not too big. Here,
Yeah.
I'll help you.
Zachary.
What's that?
Where's that from?
Ta-da! Zachary, Lego. Do you want it? Huh?
Hey, Ma got that for you.
Huh?
Hey, Ma, baby, go.
And here we go. This is the stuff that we bought.
That's a lot of stuff.
Zachary,
Thank you.
thank you who?
Come on,
And?
And
Uncle
who gave
William.
you this? Who gave you the mask and the shield?
Uncle William.
Yeah.
And me too, I did.
You helped pick it, right?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Zachary? Look at the camera and say thank you, Uncle William.
Take it, Uncle William.
And thank you, Kayma.
Take it, come on.
Alright, good job, guys.
Where did you get these from, Madeline?